Hello, I'm Luca Immesi. I'm a filmmaker and DaVinci Resolve certified trainer. This is tutorial number 7. Is a tutorial about how to use in a very easy way Film Look Creator. Film Look Creator is the plugin of inside DaVinci that allows to mimic the look of film, and it works really well. In this tutorial we will use only tools inside DaVinci, so no external LUT and other stuff. And for the purpose of this tutorial it will be really easy with really few nodes. So let's start. So here I have a footage shot with the FX3. By the way, I'm on vacation, so I'm using the screen of the MacBook Pro. So I use these settings in the project settings. So this is my timeline resolution, but here in color management I use DaVinci YRGB and timeline color space DaVinci Wide Gamut Intermediate and output color space Rec. 709A. This is because I'm using only the computer monitor. If I had a external calibrated monitor, I use Rec. 709 Gamma 2.4 here. For this purpose, let's stay with Rec. 709A. So let's click Save. So first node, we apply a bit of noise reduction. Usually by default I use special noise reduction. I ungang Luma and Chroma. I put 1.6 on Luma and 2.4 on Chroma. Sometimes I use also temporal noise reduction, but in this case special noise reduction is fine. If you have a noisier image, you can use ultra noise reduction, a new feature of DaVinci that it works really well. Click Analyze and it takes the noise pattern and it gives a very good result. If you have a very noise footage, I suggest to use Neat Video. In our case, special noise reduction is fine with this value. Then we apply like 4 nodes, for example, and in the last one we put Film Look Creator, and we come back later. In the second one we put Color Space Transform. In this Color Space Transform we put the color space and gamma of the Sony, so S-Gamut 3 Cine and S-Log 3, and here we transform it to DaVinci Wide Gamut and DaVinci Intermediate. Let's put none here, and here is fine. So let's go to the last node, where is Film Look Creator. Now we have default 65mm, and I like it very much, this kind of preset, and we will tweak it a little bit later. But if we go here to color space overrides, here we put DaVinci Wide Gamut and DaVinci Intermediate, and here Rec. 709 and Rec. 709A. And here we are in a working space of DaVinci Wide Gamut, DaVinci Intermediate. So this node between these two will work inside the color space of DaVinci Wide Gamut, DaVinci Intermediate. That is very good because it's a larger color space that allows us to retain all the informations. I used to, here in the Film Look Creator, set the contrast, an overall contrast from here, and this is too much, like this, and I like to also put some richness, and also I like some bleach bypass, like this. I don't use split tone usually, but sometimes it's handy. And vignette in this particular image is okay. The default, sometimes here I use 0.050 because sometimes the vignette is too strong for me. And here, halation, the default of the preset is very good, and we'll leave it like this. And if it's too strong, you can get lower with the amount here and also with the amount of the bloom. Grain, I like very much this preset in 65mm, so we'll leave it as it is. And flicker, I don't use it, and so we disable. Gate wave, I don't use it, so we disable. And flip gate usually is not enabled, so we leave it like this. Okay, so now let's say that we have our overall look done, and I like to use the tools of DaVinci, HDR color wheels and primary color wheels inside these two nodes, using, as I said, DaVinci Wet Gamut color space. So here we can put as many nodes as we like, and we can put like mask, magic mask, whatever we like and we need. But for this tutorial, we keep it very simple. So in the first node, I adjust the white balance, and I like to adjust it the old school way, that is with the offset. I give a little bit of warm. I can do it in the same node, but for this tutorial we can go to another node and set the exposure. And here I like to use the exposure of the dynamic range, that it works in stops. If we go here, it's -6 stops, and if we go on the other side, +6 stops. And here we can go down a little bit of like a third of a stop. And if I want to adjust the white of the seagull, that is a little bit too high, we can click on this button, and you see that now is isolating a bit of cloud and a bit of the chest of a seagull. So I can also adjust the selection using this level here. So here I select more, and so we adjust also here. And with this one, we adjust the feather. Let's say that now we are happy with our color. And as I said, it's very easy. Very cinematic with few nodes. Thank you very much. I hope you like this tutorial. See you. Ciao.